18 divided by 27 upon 3 times 9. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. 3 times 3 becomes 9 is equal to 18 divided by 27 times 3 is equal to 18 divided by 27 times 3. Numerator multiplication is equal to 54 upon 27 is equal to 2. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. We must start from the left and move towards the right. Perform these operations in order. Keep the first number as it is. Change the division sign to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. Times 9. 9 times 2 becomes 18. 9 times 3 becomes 27. Numerator multiplication is equal to 2 times 3 upon 3 times 9. Is equal to 2 times 1 times 9. Is equal to 2 times 9. Now we handle the multiplication between 2 and 9. Is equal to 18. 18 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. राइट योर करेक्ट आंसर इन कमेंट.